Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre incident, which is one of the most important turning point of our national movement. Today is April 13th, and it was a mass murder by General Dyer. What happened on that day? As you know, this is the gold diamond jubilee years of independence. Government of India is going to celebrate. So in the second episode of this series, we are going to discuss about some two important incidents. First of all, the Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act is also known as the Black Law. And in this act, any Indian, no procession, completely banned on the public meeting, and if any caught, then detention for at least minimum 2 years. It was attack on the individual freedom of the common people. During the first war was going on in the last phase in India. So what happened? Two most important leaders of Congress of Punjab, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu, were arrested. So a big procession, a big protest movement started against the British administration in Punjab, in Amritsar. Basically, April 10, an incident of violation started against this arrest of these two popular leaders, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu. And in this aggression, at least 5 English men killed due to this massacre on April, due to this incident on April 10. So General Dyer just implemented the martial law and completely ban on any kind of public meeting. So the people of Punjab decided that we have to conduct a meeting in the backside of the Baisakhi fair in the Amritsar, Jallianwala Bagh, April 13. On the festival of Baisakhi, more than 25,000 people were gathered here in the backside of this fair. In evening, 4 p.m., General Dyer came without any information and just given the order to fire, and in this firing, according to government informations, 379 people were killed and more than 1,200 people injured. So it was a shocking for the all India. National movement situation was very shocked. 10 to 15 minute fighting was going on, and in this situation, the total people, the all people of India was totally shocked, and in the against of this mass killing, first of all, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore returned his Nobel Prize, knighthood honor, and Mahatma Gandhi also returned his the title of Sir, and F. Andrews said, called this incident as a killing, the murder of the innocent people. Against this incident, a commission was set up to counting the number of injured and murdered people. That was the Hunter Commission. And Indian National Congress also set up a commission in the leadership of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. So generally it is found that more than 1,000 people killed and 2,000 people were injured. In this campus, so many people just killed very brutally. So this incident is really a turning point of our national movement. After that, our national movement so aggressive and started non-cooperation movement and Khilafat movement, and the national movement was very strongly started against the British administration. So this is a shocking incident of our national movement. I want to tribute to all people who killed in this incident. Thank you. Have a nice day.